Hey everyone, today we're going to see how to do bot switching in CloseBot v2. Bot switching is being able to start the conversation in one workflow and then hand it over to another workflow with another persona, another AI provider key, a completely different workflow according to some conditions. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this snapshot. What you're getting is a collection of three workflows. A receptionist workflow that gets the conversation and decides where to route it. In this example, it's like a cleaning mega service, and the receptionist splits it into car cleaning and house cleaning. Let's see how it works behind the scenes. So the receptionist will be triggered by default because when we go to the job flow settings, it's not filtered by any tag. It's listening on our channel and will respond to the conversation. The car cleaning and house cleaning agents, they are filtered by tag, so they will only trigger if, for example, the car cleaning tag is on, or in this example, if the house cleaning tag is on. So who's setting those tags? The receptionist. Let's go ahead and see the receptionist agent, and it basically starts by asking for service type. It's linked to our where is she? Lily Link persona, which is our famous receptionist. And she's asking the lead for what kind of service they're looking for. We have a simple AI switch, and we route the conversation to either car cleaning, house cleaning, or anything else, and then we just tell them we can't help them. And according to the branch, we tag them with the proper tags and provide a handover message to basically send the first message of the next workflow. So when after the lead is tagged and get their statement, the next time they answer, they have the car cleaning tag, so they will be triggered by the next bot. The next agent, which is triggered only by this tag, is basically a simple car cleaning workflow. It's not a very fancy one, just an example. It's connected to another persona. We have Lalo Gloss here, which is service oriented, and he'll be qualifying the lead and asking the appropriate questions to book an appointment for car cleaning or oil change. And the other workflow is the house cleaning, and this will be triggered by the house cleaning tag, and then it will qualify the lead and book a cleaning appointment. The secret is in the tagging. Tagging the workflow according to the next bot that you want to respond, and handing over gracefully, because CloseBot will respond through here, and we want to be able to keep the conversation going. So all of these workflows all packed together with the personas available right here for download. Enjoy and let me know what you think.